Hello, it's Doug with Instant Video Services. Just had to do some amazing journey, a couple times out in Hawaii. Anyway, I'm out here in search of Al Capone's lost treasure, just to remind you that we do come to you, whether it's the best in special events like wedding, photography, and videos, small business video promotions. We like to help the small business person succeed, as well as our very innovative worldwide video selling services, which I've personally been helping my clients sell their cool and classic cars, sports cars, since way back in the early 90s. And I started in the business with Brady Photography in Honolulu, Hawaii, back in about 1985. So I'll be happy to help you, whether it's drone or GoPro videography, all sorts of different creative, affordable videography I can do for you. Until then, enjoy the day.